This is a string related task, and here the query is: you are given a string and your task is to swap the cases. Every uppercase is changed to lowercase and lowercase up to uppercase, but the integers remain same. There's no change case. Okay, let's see the sample input. Hackerrank.com. Okay, capital small, capital small. No changes in the integers. All right, let's write the code for it. So we will have to print it into some different string because we know strings are immutable. Let's see, for I in S, so we will iterate through every value, and let's check if I is upper, then new string plus equals I dot lower, L if I dot is lower. So we're gonna check if the character is lower, then we will make it to upper, else we will simply add the character to the string I. Okay, then return new string and run the code. Okay, so it worked fine. Let's submit the code. All 6 cases, yeah, they worked successfully. Let's move to the next challenge.